So this one's going to be called Belch Media. Oblongifolia. Financial Domination Creek Road. It's called Findon, but you know.
He's going straight around this way. It's really cow country out there, isn't it? Geese over there on the side. Park Nature Reserve, that's what we want.
Alright, sweet.
That didn't say anything. I'm just looking that way and then I look to the right. Is this the forest we're supposed to be going to? I see more Park Nature Reserve, isn't it?
Me coke. Me coke and me rope. Fuck. I think that's what's gonna happen if you like spend money you don't actually have on getting some fucking witch to kick you in the teeth.
Lots of ways.
Oh, fish.
Jumping out of the water.
Yeah, fishy.
I can see it swimming down there.
I need a breath.
It's a good sized fish, isn't it? That's it. These contours are good going.
Podocarpus elatus.
Yeah, all these plum pines and no little ones coming up anywhere. All these big ones and no little ones. That's a rough stone. That looks right.
What's that one called? Rough with telm.
Elephant and Philippines. Spiky kind of leaves on it.
Yeah.
Put it on the ground here like this.
Yeah.
This one here. You feel the points on them, they're actually real spiky.
Yeah.
And that's what that is, rough with telm. And then this one here. What does this one look like?
Looks like a well,
Leaves opposite. Could be Blogia. I'd say it's probably Blogia. And this out here is blackberry. It's actually some big blackberry in there. So there's one little plum pine. There's a couple of leaves just from this stuff. And there's one in this other, that's a rough little pine. And that big one might be a rough leaf down as well.
yeah. Was that the 3-veined?
Yeah, does it look like that?
Yeah.
Looks like
I
that,
mean,
doesn't it? When you see a leaf like that, 3 veins,
they're like flat, right? Not
Yeah.
weld.
yeah. And you see it looks like some sort of cricket carrier as well.
So wait, the tall ones aren't the rough leaf telm is not whalebone.
This is rough leaf down. You can
Yeah,
see
yeah,
it's
yeah.
a real spiky leaf.
Yeah.
And this one here is whalebone.
Right.
It's similar.
Spiky leaf, not as rough.
Yeah, and they don't, these ones here don't have a real spike on the leaf, like they have sort of a serrated edge, but no actual spike like that. And this one here with the opposite foliage is Blogia.
Right, yeah. And they got that sort of that Zyzigium morii sort of.
Yeah, it kind of look a bit like that. Yeah.
But the morii would have like a more of a.
Morii have a real fleshy curve.
They have that papery kind of trunk.
Yeah. Let's have a track going here. Yeah, we'll go on this track. Mountain base is up there. Oh, no, certainly first one is a mountain base. Moreton Bay is joined to the other one there, and then it separates out here. Look at that. And then it goes up and joins to the other tree.
Oh, there's the other tree. Another rough-leafed elm.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah, it looks a bit like it's got that trunk of the rough-leaf elm, isn't it? Rough-leaf elm, bloodhead. There you go, plum pine.
We got wandering dew and like the basket grass.
Yeah.
Basket.
Both of them growing together there. And then this one here is hairy bird's eye, Aquinicia. Tone and Tozer, is it? Maybe? Hairy bird's eye. Rough-leaf elm, bloodhead, lots of bloodhead. Here's a different one. Looks a bit like Gigeria. Gigeria, that one looks like.
That's just ginger. Oh yeah.
These trees are probably native frangipani. Maybe that one just there looks a bit like a native frangipani. A dark trunk. Here's a brown family. It could be black bean. I could tell. I went in the forest the other day and saw this one tree, massive big bushy tree. And I reckon it was a brown penguin.
That's batswing fern, is it?
No, it's not batswing. It's a nice looking fern though. It's like a maidenhair fern
Yeah.
with the black stems, you know?
Yeah.
Real fine like a maidenhair. Off the whole top out of it.
Hear that? Giant bee, I hope.
Just come down just recently and bought a little foliage on there. Maybe sunshine. Oh, that's a good one. Big black bean. That's what that is there. So that tree there is black bean.
Ouch. Ouch. That's not a black thing. Or a plum pine. Looks like a, huh?
Here's a trunk on this one behind you, Leon.
That one there. Oh!
Looks like a silky oak.
Sure does.
Good size silky oak. Now this big one back here, this looks like Flinders and Toxula. That's what that looks like. A good sized tree, isn't it?
Does it have seed on it? Like, does it have like little pods? Or are they just like?
You can see little pods on the ground. I don't see any yet. I don't see any little trees coming up in there either.
So, what is your favorite?
Giant stinging tree.
Dendrocnoid. But it's like this, the smooth one.
No,
Like-
yeah, that's giant stinger.
But and then so then there's this one.
Dendrocnoid, so.
There's no big one around though.
No, it's obviously just come up with a little bit of a...
There's leaves of a big one, but then there's just that one, which is not that anyway. Is it? There it is. That's the big one.
Oh, there's a big one over here, right?
Oh yeah.
There's a couple of them over here.
Ah, I see. Yeah. Plenty.
Oh, so here's a little Xanthoxula.
Oh,
There
yeah.
we go, that proves it.
Look at
And
that's
there's your
trippy.
Xanthoxula.
They do that.
Yeah, they come up and have weird kind of things on a small tree, on a juvenile tree. Look at just weird kind of things like that sort of stuff. This kind of weird stuff with an extra little thing there. See an extra little thing there. They often have things like that. That really gives them away. Xanthoxula. Oh, here's a shiny little stinger.
Right. Yeah.
Facing the filler.
Do not touch. Don't, wear shoes. Do that, wear shoes.
This one here. Big heat pine. Going way up there. This is socket wood. Daphandra appellata. Socket wood. There's probably big under those somewhere.
Is that a white bean?
White bean where? Oh. There is too. Yeah, white bean, Elianthus, price fire. No, there's a big one of them somewhere, price fire. Don't see anything near here. Let's see. I'll keep an eye out for a bigger white bean. Just got to stand out a bit. Yep, there's a shiny leaf here.
Man, you'd be I'm just gonna brush past this red Kamala real quick. Oh shit. Never again. Just gonna go straight under this red Kamala here. Turns out it was just a fucking
Shiny leaf here. There's another one.
Yeah. Thought it was just a sandpaper fig. The old Ficus coronata. Turns out it was the Jesus one, you know? Couldn't tell for looking, but...
Yeah. What's this thing on right there? That's a rough leg down as well, is it? I'm just going to write this message. Yeah, the bats. Can you see them?
Oh, they got off these ones because they're down to their underwear, you know? Down to the jocks.
Oh, yeah, you see them. And hear them. You see them.
What do you think this one on the left is?
The tree, that one there.
Yeah.
It's a little bit like a weird background. It's like these trees look like they've been damaged a lot by the bats. They try and sort of grow back from the bats. Yeah, all these bats have to go further in now. That's why that we were walking on. That thing has disappeared. Oh no, there it is. Yeah, there's a massive big tree here. It's just totally died. Yeah, there's all this other stuff coming out, massive thorn trees. Certainly not going to get down this track in a few months. There's going to be a forest of thorn trees. Gosh. There must be little bats or something. You can, oh, you can see them there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, they're big bats.
Look at them squirm! Look at them squirm! Fuck, that's psycho.
Everybody's just like swimming everywhere, flapping around. You can't really see much during the day. You're basically blind during the day. It's fine, foxes are right. I think we'll go back this way where we came. And there you go, guys. Doug? How are you? You good? Good to see you out here.
Belch media. Oblongifolia.
Oblongifolia, that's the one.
She has like oblongifolia. Wait, there was a little one. I was like, that looks like a little red apple, but you know, no red apples anywhere.
Yeah.
So,
Did you see another one come there, did you?
it was back here. Well, I think it was near like the Xanthoxylon one.
Oh, I knew the Xanthox one.
Meliocope azadirach. Melia azadirach. Right?
Oh, Amelia. Yeah. That's all them 98 fingers. Well, this is Cryptosprum. Cryptosprum multiflorum. That one? Maybe so it's a fun time. I could come out here and then see it. Walk along the track. It's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, that one. That one's native olive. Olive paniculata. Must be big native olive somewhere.
That's probably that one of those ones that was down to its jocks I was talking about before.
Maybe.
Because so is this whalebone?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that one's called?
Whalebone is Strobelus brunoniensis.
Strobelus brunoniensis. Oh yeah? That's the oblongifolia again? What was it called again?
Yeah, that's cryptocarya.
Oh, okay.
Oblongifolia.
So what was the other oblong one we saw just now?
The other oblongifolia?
Is that this one here?
No, that was belch media.
Belch media.
Yeah. There you see a big one anywhere yet. Lots of black things on the ground there. Yeah, that's what those things are rough-eyed dogs.
Oh, there we are. So is that a Bologia or a Belch media?
That little one there.
Yeah.
Should it? No, it's not. It's something different again. I don't even know what that one is. Pretty interesting. It's got like a real long, narrow leaf. It's possible it could be a belch media. It doesn't look typically like it though.
Mm.
Oh no, this is hard condom. This one.
Eliocarpus.
Obovatus. We're adding to the big one of those.
They kind of, they'd look a bit like the elms anyway. They were big.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll go over here, we'll go around that way. There's another track going around that way.
Oh, who's this?
That's lacebark. That's lacebark, brachychiton discolour. We don't see a big one of those anywhere though. They have a real distinctive trunk, like real straight and sort of woody tone. That's the tosprun. That's the tosprun, something wrong. Go up around the side and go in. That one. There's the size wild bone tree. Look at that.
Wait, whoa.
Goes down the side of the eucalypt there. That looks like a eucalypt. It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's massive big trunks here that have come off somewhere and just landed down there and rotting away. They've been sitting there for years.
Is that coachwood there?
No.
No.
This one is a cryptocarya.
Ceratopedilum? No?
No, it's not a coachwood.
Right. But, anyway, what is it?
It's one of the cryptocaryas. Not sure which one you see it right now.
This is the frangipani? Nope.
No, this is Pittosporum. I just can't think what the Pittosporum's called now. Pittosporum something.
Like, there are trees, Dad, that will make people fucking hate trees. Like, lawyer canes will make people hate a forest.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, Here's a different one we haven't seen before. This one here is hairy rosewood. Guys are soft around the rooting. And there. A big silky oak back that way.
Disoxylum aurutum.
Rooting. So look at all the logs there at the bottom over there. All kinds of stuff here. Crashed down around the feet.
There's this one looks like it must have something in it.
What do you found?
Just dirt. Dead snails. 2 dead snails.
Oh, that's another one.
2 pretty big dead snails.
That's another one here. Got a hole in the top of him. Oh, that's a different one.
Mm.
Yeah, they're those giant ones. I found a big one of those up in Roymine the other day.
That looks like it died early.
Yeah.